Some poo's come out.
Ladies and gentlemen, particularly of first class with your OBEs and MBEs, Richard Hammond, your steward, will be passing through shortly with hot meals. Right.
Oh, wait a minute.
Now, since hunting was banned, one sees the horses frolicking gaily in the fields, enjoying...
Forgive me while I just back off and have a bit of a gloat.
If we look over here, we see traditional farming methods, and I think that pretty much covers the lecture. I'm just doing a lecture on the countryside. Nothing to see here, and that's it. So now we'll be on our way.
Oh dear. Bye. People of first class.
Once again, the editor of Railway Express magazine was heading back towards Leicester. Although this time I had at least found a novel way of seeing where I was going. Ignore the enormous locomotive behind me. It's a glitch, really. Not my fault.
Our train was now certain of beating Jeremy's to near Loughborough.
This is just serene.
However, in the buffet car, things weren't going so well.
Ladies and gentlemen, please brace yourself. The incompetent steward is about to pour tepid coffee into your crotch.
For Christ's sake, James, stop making announcements. That's my job. I'm the steward. You drive. I steward.
It's my train and the driver makes the bleeding